Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use local send on iPhone. Alright, so first up, you'll have to make sure that the application is installed on your phone, as well as on the phone where you wanted to send or receive some files. So on our App Store, let's go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on search, tap on the search bar right here, and just type down local send. And once done, just hit on search at the very bottom. And then once it loads, you got to find local send right here, and then just tap on the cloud button to download it. Wait for the installation process to finish. And then once that's done, just click on open. And then after that, you'll be greeted with the pop-up like this. Allow local send to find the devices on local networks. You'll have to tap on allow. All right. So allow. Now this will be your account name, but if you want to, you could go ahead and change this one as well. All right. So first up, to use local send on iPhone, make sure to select receive or send. If you want to send some files, could be photos, videos, or whatever, use send right here. If you want to receive something, well, tap on receive. So let's say I'm going to tap on receive, and then on my other phone, I'm going to send something. And as you can see, as fast as that, you can just easily tap on accept right here, and then the file will be received. Make sure that you tap on allow as well, right here, and then it will be saved under your photo section. When you go ahead and tap on done, all right, go ahead over to your photo section, you'll be able to see the specific file. Now to go ahead and send, let's open up a local send once more, right here. Now let's go ahead and tap on send. Now people that are currently connected to the same exact Wi-Fi will be listed in here. So I have this Android phone or Samsung. As you can see, it is connected to the same exact Wi-Fi, so I'll be able to see it. So first up, before you can send, go ahead over to media. It can be text, files right here, just swipe, or even a folder. So let's say, for example, I'm going to send a media. Allow full access right here. Select a photo, and once selected, you can add in some more, and then just basically select the device where you wanted to send it. So tap on it. Now it says here waiting for a response. Now on the other phone, all you got to do is just tap on accept. And then after that, as fast as that, you're done. The file is now received on the other device. It can be a computer, a Mac, an Android, or another iOS device. That's how simple it is to use local send on an iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.